You know what? I-expose ko na ang tunay na ugali ni Kong TV. Matagal ko na itong napapansin sa kanya sa buong team Payaman. Now, I'm going to reveal it to you. You see, the reason why wala akong masasabi kay Kong TV is because he knows how to use his weaknesses as a weapon. And that's exactly why I'm strong followers of him. Kung mapapansin mo, hindi niya tinatago yung insecurities niya. Like kunwari, mahabal eh. So what? Pangit ako. So what? Ang itim-itim ko. So what? At times dugyot tignan. So what? May times pa nga na napagkakamalan siyang scammer tapos ginagawa niyang content. Ayo guys, I'm the greatest scammer! Ganyan. Tapos pinagtatawanan pa ng mga tao. You see, people will run out of things to say if you really know yourself and you're not hiding anything from people around you. This is the most valuable mindset na natutunan ko kay Kong TV. Power. Peace out.